Imagine a city that marries the charm of the old world with the vibrancy of the new. Welcome to Prague, the heart of Europe. With its stunning architecture that spans centuries, from Gothic to Cubist, it's a city that effortlessly weaves together the threads of past and present, creating a tapestry of experiences that's truly unique. Prague is a city steeped in history, with a rich cultural scene that's as diverse as it's vibrant. From the hauntingly beautiful Old Town Square to the iconic Charles Bridge, every corner of this city tells a story. Of course, such a remarkable city draws crowds, with the busiest times being the summer months of June, July, and August. But if you're a savvy traveler looking to stretch your budget, consider visiting during spring and fall, when the city is less crowded, but no less enchanting. Winters are cold, and the city often wakes up covered in snow, but if you don't mind the cold too much, Prague can charm you with its many cozy pubs and diners. And you certainly won't have to queue to enjoy the city's most infamous attractions. Now let's dive deeper into the neighborhoods and towns that offer the best value for your money. Nestled in Prague's heart are two neighborhoods that are a budget traveler's dream: Zizkov and Vinohrady. Let's start our journey with Zizkov, a neighborhood famed for its rebellious bohemian spirit. Once a working-class stronghold, Zizkov has evolved into a vibrant hub of culture and creativity, where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the rhythm of the present. The streets here are lined with eclectic bars, vintage shops, and hidden gems that offer a glimpse into the local way of life. An average Airbnb stay in Zizkov will cost you around €50 per night, while a hotel room might set you back by about €65. Now, just a stone's throw away lies Vinohrady, Zizkov's quieter, more sophisticated sibling. Vinohrady, which translates to vineyards, is steeped in history and elegance. The neighborhood boasts beautifully preserved Art Nouveau buildings, serene parks, and a wealth of restaurants serving delectable Czech cuisine. If you're looking for a taste of local life with a dash of luxury, Vinohrady is the place to be. A typical Airbnb here costs around €55 a night, while a hotel stay averages about €75. What sets these two neighborhoods apart is their unique charm and authenticity. They are not just places to sleep, but destinations in their own right. Here you can immerse yourself in Prague's rich history, savor its culinary delights, and rub shoulders with its vibrant locales, all without breaking the bank. Both Zizkov and Vinohrady are well connected to the city's major attractions, making them ideal bases for exploring Prague. Whether you're strolling along the cobblestone streets, sipping on a pint of local beer, or simply soaking in the neighborhood's ambience, you'll find that Zizkov and Vinohrady offer a unique, affordable, and quintessentially Czech experience. Our thrifty tip. If you are looking for a great night out in Zizkov, head to Tiki Talk Bar, a place that will make you feel as if you embarked on a journey with Captain Jack Sparrow. Great atmosphere and an extended list of drinks, including in-house specials like Spank My Purple Monkey Pineapple Ass and Blind Tiger Sling. As for Vinohrady, we recommend lunch at Vinohradsky Parliament Restaurant, a place where traditional Czech cuisine finds a modern twist. And prices are a delight too. A delicious bowl of soup costs roughly €3.50, while a main dish is about €10. But Prague's charm extends beyond its city limits. Let's venture into the countryside. A short trip from Prague will transport you to the charming Melnik town and Pruhonice village. Reaching back through the eons of time, Melnik town unfurls a rich tapestry of history and culture. Founded in the 9th century, Melnik has long been a hub of wine production, its vineyards sprawling across the sun-kissed hillsides. The town is crowned by Melnik Castle, a grand structure combining elements of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architecture. The castle's panoramas of the confluence of the Elbe and Vltava rivers are breathtakingly beautiful. An average night in a Melnik Airbnb will cost you around €45, while a hotel stay is typically around €65. Our thrifty tip. If you are a beer lover, don't miss out on having a pint or two at Nemi Medved, microbrewery and beer bar. Nestled right in the center of Melnik, this charming bar will provide you with a great craft pivo and a truly local atmosphere. Now let's journey a little further to Pruhonice village. This quaint hamlet is best known for the Pruhonice Park and Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park is a masterpiece of landscaping, with its romantic ponds, exotic trees, and blooming rhododendrons. The neo-Renaissance castle, on the other hand, is a testament to the grandeur of days gone by. A night's stay in a Pruhonice Airbnb averages around €40, while a hotel stay would be approximately €60. Our thrifty tip: if you feel like indulging yourself for a day, check out the Aqua Palace Praha. For about €40 daily ticket, you can enjoy various attractions and wellness facilities. What's more, these two delightful destinations are just a stone's throw away from Prague. Melnik is roughly 30 kilometers to the north, while Pruhonice lies about 15 kilometers to the southeast. Therefore, if you find that staying in Prague is above your travel budget, Melnik and Pruhonice are great alternatives. It takes about 40 minutes to travel between Prague and Melnik by train. The price for the ticket is €4. To go to Pruhonice village, you need to take bus 136, and it will take you about 50 minutes. The ticket is symbolic, around €1.5. These locations offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, while still keeping you within easy reach of Prague's vibrant attractions. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a wine enthusiast, you'll find something to captivate you in Melnik and Pruhonice. And the best part, you won't have to break the bank to enjoy these charming locales. They offer an affordable, yet enriching experience that pairs perfectly with your budget-friendly exploration of Prague. Now that we've covered where to stay, let's talk about what to eat and drink. Czech cuisine is a feast for the senses, offering hearty dishes, sweet treats, and world-renowned beers. Now, for the all-important question, how much for a pint of the good stuff? Well, on average, you're looking at about €2 in a bar or restaurant. If you're on a tighter budget, supermarket beer is even cheaper. Speaking of supermarkets, you'll find the most popular ones to be Billa, Albert, and Tesco. These are your go-to spots for local products, including some seriously tempting sweet treats. The top 5 on the locals list are Trdelnik, a scrumptious pastry, Venecek, a cream-filled delight, Laskonka, a coconut and cream biscuit, Medovnik, a heavenly honey cake, and the unmissable Malenka, a rich honey and nut cake. And let's not forget the dairy aisle. The Czech Republic boasts some delectable dairy products. Smetana is a type of sour cream used in many traditional dishes. Tvaroh is a curd cheese perfect for desserts. Olomoucke Tvarusky is a pungent cheese that is an acquired taste. Idem is a popular semi-hard cheese. And lastly, Neva, a Czech blue cheese that is sure to tickle your taste buds. Now, for the dining experience. 3 local favorites are Lokal, known for its traditional dishes and fresh pilsner, Umodre Kakniki, a feast of duck and game specialities, and Eska, where modern methods meet traditional ingredients. Expect to pay around €15 to €20 for a meal in these restaurants. A bargain for the quality you're getting. Czech cuisine is a true celebration of flavors, textures, and aromas. It's simple, hearty, and unabashedly indulgent. Whether you're tasting the local brews, sampling the sweet treats, or diving into a plate of traditional fare, you're in for a treat. So with our taste buds tingling and our bellies full, it's time to leave the dining table behind. With our bellies full, let's explore some lesser-known but equally fascinating attractions. Beyond the tourist crowds, Prague offers a myriad of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. One such gem is the Underground Museum, a labyrinth of medieval cellars that takes you on a journey through time. It's an adventure that costs less than a cup of coffee, with adult entrance fees at a mere €3. Next, we have the Blacklight Theatre, a mesmerizing spectacle of light, color, and shadow that is uniquely Czech. This unforgettable experience can be yours for an entrance fee of just €10. If you're intrigued by the enigmatic and complex life of Franz Kafka, the Kafka Museum is a must-visit. It's a deeply immersive experience that delves into the mind of one of the most influential writers of the 20th century. You can lose yourself in Kafka's world for just €8. Then there's the Jazz Dock, a buzzing hub of music and culture nestled on the banks of the Vltava River. Here you can enjoy some of the finest live jazz performances in the city without breaking the bank. The entrance fee varies depending on the performance, but you can usually enjoy a night of music for around €15. A visit to the Alchemist Museum is like stepping back in time to the mysterious world of medieval alchemy. This museum offers an enchanting journey into Prague's past for just €8. For movie buffs, the National Film Museum is an absolute must. This museum offers a fascinating insight into the history of Czech cinema, showcasing a vast collection of films, props, and memorabilia. Adult entrance fees are just €5, making it a budget-friendly choice for film enthusiasts. Last on our list, but certainly not least, is Vinohradsky pivovar. This isn't just any brewery, it's a symbol of the Czech Republic's rich brewing history. Here, you can savor traditional Czech beer brewed using age-old techniques, all within the cozy ambience of a 19th century building. The best part? There's no entrance fee. You only pay for what you drink. Prague is a city that captivates and delights, offering a wealth of experiences that won't break the bank. These off-the-beaten-path attractions are just the beginning. So why not veer off the tourist trail and discover a side of Prague that few get to see? With a little planning and an adventurous spirit, you can explore this enchanting city without splurging. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey of discovery in Prague. Prague is a city where history, culture, and affordability intertwine, making it the perfect destination for budget travelers. This gem of a city offers a wealth of experiences that won't break the bank. From the charming neighbourhoods of Zizkov and Vinohrady to the enchanting Melnik town and Pruhonice village. The city's cuisine is an adventure in itself. With local beers that are lighter on the wallet than water and supermarkets stocked with delightful sweet treats and traditional dairy products, your taste buds are in for a treat. Not to mention a trio of local-loved restaurants that serve up delectable dishes at reasonable prices. And let's not forget the city's lesser-known attractions. From the intriguing underground museum to the whimsical Blacklight Theatre, Kafka's Museum, and the captivating National Film Museum, these hidden gems offer a unique perspective on the city's rich culture and history. So pack your bags, set your budget, and get ready to explore the heart of Europe. Prague awaits you. Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and if you have other cities you would like to know how to visit without breaking the bank. Until next time, happy travels!